Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos. Please like this video to motivate me to continue making videos for you. It's all that I ask of you. You don't pay for anything. I don't ask you to pay for anything. If anybody on this channel asks you to pay for something, it's not me and you're about to get scammed. So all I ask is like this video, leave a comment if you have questions or comments, and I'll try to address them in future videos. So today's topic is one such video. I'm responding to a question that was posted by one of the subscribers on one of the videos. They asked, should they practice forex trading on demo, or should they go and open a real account? They said their mentor suggested that they open a real account because they don't practice on demo, but they feel they are not ready for real account trading, and they think maybe they might want to trade on demo. I cannot give the person a straight answer, but I will relate my story. So basically, when I started, I also started on demo. Now the problem that I noticed with demo trading, when you are practicing forex trading with a demo account, is most of the people, not all of them, not all of the time, people are not invested in it. People are not invested in what they are doing psychologically, because forex trading is not just numbers and indicators and robots and things like that. It's actually more about you, the person, your psychology, your approach to the markets. That's why you see a strategy, it works with one person, but it doesn't work with the next person. And it's a clear strategy with clear rules, but one person is struggling with that strategy and another person is winning with that strategy. It has to do with psychology. So demo trading doesn't give you that psychological training. I always tell people that you haven't started forex trading until you have lost money or have blown an account, a real account, not a demo account. The pain of blowing an account, of watching the money, the hard-earned money that you invested in your forex account, and you watch the market take it, all of it, that pain, if you haven't experienced that pain, you cannot duplicate or replicate that feeling with a demo account. So demo account is fine, practicing on demo, it's fine, but my experience is it lacks certain elements that a trader needs to learn when they are venturing into the markets. It's fake money, it's not real money, and often I've seen people getting trapped in that cycle because they know it's not real money, so they can afford to let that account get blown. And I've seen people who have been trapped in that cycle for months. 9 months, a person is still trading demo. 10 months, a person is still trading demo. Each time they are blowing that demo account and they simply open a new one. And my thinking is, it's because it's fake money, it's not real money, so the person is not invested in what they are doing. If it were a real account, probably the person will start taking what they are doing seriously. So that's the difference between demo trading or practicing on demo and practicing with a real account. But now, do you want to go and open a real account when you feel you are not ready? So what I did, here's what I did. I also started on demo, and I realized that I was quickly losing focus, because if I blow a demo account, what's the problem? I can simply open another one. So what did I do? I opened a micro account. That's why you are looking at these pairs and they are saying micro. My broker, the link is in the description box below. Usually people are asking me which broker do you use, so my primary broker, the link is in the description box below. They offer what's called a micro account. It's kind of a bridge between demo trading and real account trading. So you have a demo account, and then you have a micro account, then you have a standard account. The micro account, the advantage of it is you can practice like you are on demo and not make the huge losses that you would make if you were trading a real standard account. But unlike a demo account, a micro account, you are actually trading with real money. The broker that I use, XM, link is in the description box below. The micro account and I think the standard account as well, minimum deposit is $5. I usually flip $10 accounts, $20 accounts, but the minimum deposit is $5. So instead of wasting time with a demo account and not get the real forex market feeling, I would say, how about depositing $5 in a micro account? You get to practice and get the authentic feeling of being in the market, the feeling of having your money on the line. It changes you, it teaches you something when you practice with that idea, knowing that if you are losing, you are not just losing a random figure that the demo account gave you, but you are losing $5 that you worked for. Now, the micro account, like I said, when you lose, you are actually not losing as much money as you could lose with a real standard account. So for example, because I still have, this is my first ever real forex account, it's micro, and I still keep it to test robots, indicators, strategies, and things like that. I think this account has got $11 or something. $11, yes. So that's my advice. If you are looking to practice forex but you are not sure whether you should go the demo account route or the real account route, I would say open a micro account. That's what I did. It gives you the feeling of being in the markets, like you are literally in the markets, because that's a few dollars of my money. $11, that's a few dollars of my money. If it blows, it's painful. It teaches you something, and next time you learn not to make that mistake. So that's my 2 cents on the matter. Demo trading is fine, but I've seen people getting trapped in that demo account cycle and they never learn anything because it's not real money, it's fake money, and they are not invested in that, so they can afford to just get that account blown. But jumping into a real standard account, again, the person might not be ready. So I'd rather a person practices on a micro account and hopefully they can grow from there like I did, and then move on to a real standard account. If this video helped you, please like the video, leave a comment in the comment section below, leave your questions so that I can make future videos from your questions. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, guys, make money.